Because if it doesn't taste good today, then there's probably no consistency, and I won't be ordering their cheeseburgers again. I'll always love their fries and their onion rings. Let's see. There's so many good things at Dairy Queen. When I was younger, we went to Dairy Queen at least 4 times a day because we lived across the street from Dairy Queen in downtown Bellevue. We were there 4 times a day. The workers and the managers and stuff and the owners all knew us neighborhood kids. But we would order French fries by the basket and the onion rings by the basket. All the desserts, we had them all. All the Mr. and Misty flavors, we had them all. Okay. Let me see. I don't know about this. God. This is way better than McDonald's. I don't know what it is. What's the difference?